girls, today is shoulders, traps, and core. And just a reminder, core may not always mean abs. It may come in the form of lower back or balance. So today's going to be fun. In fact, I wish I was going to be around so I could watch it. It's going to be so fun. For starters, on cardio, I'm just going to tell you what we're doing first and then I'll demonstrate. You're going to do 20 knee-ups with the same arm, alternating shoulder and knee-ups with 10-pound dumbbells. You're going to do 20 Russian get-ups. I think you only did 10 yesterday, so get ready. You're going to do 20 today. You can also use the step like you did yesterday. And I'm adding something new called a Turkish get-up, and you'll do 10 on each side. And then you're going to do ballistic tap and presses. And anytime I use the word ballistic, that means there is a jump in it somewhere. And the equipment you need today is a 5-pound dumbbell, or 2 5-pound dumbbells, 2 10-pound dumbbells. You're going to need a Bosu ball, and you're going to need an 8-pound medicine ball. So let's get started. The first thing is the 20 knee-ups. So you're going to grab your dumbbells, and you're literally just going to press, press, and it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, etc., all the way to 20, okay? Then, the 20 Russian get-ups, which, can you see me if I roll back? Okay, so you're going to do 20 Russian get-ups just as a little reminder. Here, all the way back, and press. And again, beginner version, you can use the steps if you need to. Now, your new one is your Turkish get-ups. You actually start on the ground. You're using 1 dumbbell on these, okay? So you get down here, arm out, put your arm straight up. Now that's the trick, your arm is staying straight up the whole time. And you get up and stand. You can use your hand, that's fine, but you want this arm staying up the whole time. Then you go back down, tap the ground, up, all the way up. So that's 2. And you'll switch arms after you do 10 on that side, and you'll do this side. Tap, up, okay? It looks a lot easier than it is. Then you're going to do ballistic tap and presses. So you're going to be standing with your dumbbells, tap, press, and you're jumping. And that one you may actually need to go a little lighter on your dumbbells because it's kind of heavy. So that's your warm-up. Next, you're going to go to your first superset. The surprise for today, your whole workout is on this Bosu ball. So, your first exercise is iron crosses. You're going to use smaller dumbbells, 5 pounds. Y'all might even need to use 3 because 5 is pretty tough for me. And to get on, there's a trick. You're going to put 1 foot all the way on the corner. You want to make sure that it's on the ground. Then you step up on it, okay? Get your balance. Get on and off of it a couple of times. Kind of get your feel for it. All right. So once you feel comfortable, let me show you what an iron cross is. So you start out with your arms out wide, and you squat, and you come back up. Squat, come back up. Arms are straight. If you can't hold them out straight like this, then you need lighter weight. When you squat, you go forward, back up. Okay? Okay, we made a little adjustment to the situation here. I moved my ball back, and I grabbed 10-pound dumbbells for the second exercise, okay? So this one is a military press. You start out here, you're making a box on the bottom, 90-degree angles here. And you're going to go here, and you're going to tap them together on top. So down, tap, down, tap. All while balancing on the Bosu ball. Okay? So that's superset 1. You're going to do those 2 exercises 4 times each, 20 reps, before you move on to superset 2. And, the first one on superset 2 is upright dumbbell rows while you're balanced on the ball also. So basically, this one's going to work your traps. So you're going to stand here, and you're going to row, row, just like that. Okay? You're going to do 20 of those. And then, your next one, you're going to need the lighter weight again, because you're going to do shoulder flies and a front press. So you're going to get off and get back on. I know you don't realize it, but you're working your core this whole time. Getting on and off of this, balancing on it, and doing your workout on it is working your core the whole workout. So on this one, for shoulder fly and front pit. Sorry. So you're going to go like this, press forward and down. Forward and down. I'm not going straight out. My arms are bent. Just like that. Press forward. Press forward. Okay? You're going to do 20. Let's make it like 2 movements. Don't try to combine them like this. You're going to end up hurting your shoulders. You want to come all the way up, all the way up, all the way back, all the way down. Okay? And that's your superset 2. So now we're going to go outside and I'll show you your last.
Yep.
Okay, so for your superset 3, you're going to need an 8-pound medicine ball. You're going to need the decline bench and a mat. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get up on the bench. Okay? You're going to lean back. You want to be at an angle. You're going to bounce. Whoa, there's a hole there.
Right, there you go.
Okay, sorry about that. So you're going to bounce here, here, and you're going to do 20 each side. And then, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to get on the mat. Again, you're going to keep the ball, feet up off the ground, and you're going to just toss it up. Since there's 2 of you, you could actually pass it back and forth. But you need to be far enough out that you can keep your feet off the ground and lean back. So maybe one of you should use the 8-pound ball and one use the 10. But you're going to throw it up just like that, just like that.